Preventative measures are a better focal point for your life rather than cures are. I'm saying this because by the time you asking or inquiring about a cure, you probably have something going on that you need to be alleviated, right? What does this have to do with probate estate planning? A lot of videos I make are in regards to after a loved one passed. But what if you are watching my channel, you haven't passed on, but you're starting to think about end of life planning, right? In this video, I'll document, or I'll have a list of documents that you should have safeguarded so that the administrator of your will that is going to settle your estate has a more streamlined approach to handling your afterlife estate. Stay tuned for the list. Now, again, it says, what should I do to prepare for the administrator of my will to settle my estate? Or what should I have prepared, right? So the following is a list of documents and papers that you should have safeguarded so that that person has, and I don't want to use that word, that person has a more streamlined approach to settling your estate. So, number one on that list is a will, obviously, right? The will is the one that gives the directions. Again, it's not legal advice, but the will is the one that gives the direction to the loved one of what to do, right? Also, information on health benefits and insurance, recent federal and state income tax returns, union/company life insurance policies, right? Veteran records, if it's applicable, including discharge papers, pension and annuity records, marriage and divorce records, stocks and bonds, social security card numbers. All of these things are things you kind of should have together anyway, but a lot of people have it scattered around the house, right? And this is important for your loved ones to have because it's going to help the settling of your estate in a more efficient manner. Motor vehicle titles for your cars, obviously, right? Checkings and savings account numbers and the name of your banks. Real estate deeds for your personal property, for your real property, rather. Installment loans and promissory notes. Safe deposit box location, number, and key. Birth certificates, as well as a bunch of other things that you should have safeguarded together. Right? Again, that was just a list of things that you should have that are essential to settling your estate when you pass away. Thought this was a very informative but quick video for people who have not passed on, but they starting to think like, okay, you know what is that going to look like for the person that I'm going to have carrying out the last wishes via my will? Thank you guys for watching.